Hey friends, this is Atif Opiarval and welcome to the update on SEI. In my earlier video, I was showing you that the price of SEI recently broke down the support of a falling wedge pattern, and after that, it was dropped down inside a key demand zone. And this was my last video that I shared a few hours ago with you. Now, if you take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after visiting this key demand zone, we had some price accumulation here. Here we had a slight bounce, and the price and again dropped down here, and now it is again pumped very well and re-entered the same falling wedge pattern that was previously broken down. By the way, the technical target for this breakdown from this falling wedge pattern, as per this measurement, was here. That was approximately at 16.5 cents, slightly lower than this support, a quite long-term support of 17 cents. And you can see that the price line dropped down. We had a long spike here beyond this key demand zone, by the way, approximately up to 18.80 cents. And the pricing could not break down this zone. If we take a look at the previous history of this key demand zone, then you can see that whenever it is entering inside this key demand zone, we are watching very, very massive rallies like it was happening here back in the month of August 2024. And before that, when we broke out this zone here, after that, the price then entered this key demand zone here. Then we had a very, very massive rally. And now you can see that once again, even after the breakdown from this falling wedge pattern, the price then visited this demand zone. And now it is recovered back and bounced very well. And now it has re-entered the same falling wedge pattern that was down, and now it is about to hit the resistance of the red pattern. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for SEI, just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade signal I shared on 6th of January 2025 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here, and after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of SCI. And first of all, let me just show you this falling wedge pattern that we recently broke down. And after the breakdown, you can see that we had long spike beyond this key demand zone that I've been showing you in my so many previous videos, that the price line never broke down again since we have broken out this level here in the month of November 2023. You can see that we had this very, very powerful rally. By the way, we have been also following this previous falling wedge pattern as well. And after the breakout from this wedge, we had this very, very powerful rally. And after breaking out this zone, you can see that the price then has some price accumulation here. And then we had a very, very nice and powerful pump. And after that, when again, while moving inside this previous falling wedge pattern, the price then dropped down inside this key demand zone. By the way, this key demand zone starts from 22 cents and goes to 20 cents. The price then entered here. We had a long spike inside this key demand zone, and the price then pumped very well. It could not break out this downtrend line resistance. You can see that we found this resistance here, by the way, in the month of March 2024. We got rejection here and stable rejections here. And now, again, the price end while moving inside this next falling wedge pattern, dropped down inside this key demand zone. In fact, this time we broke down the support of the wedge, but could not break down this zone. And now the price end is pumped very well. And now it has re-entered the same falling wedge pattern that was recently broken down. Now we need to break out this resistance of the falling wedge pattern. If the price end breaks it out, then we can expect a very, very powerful pump. And the technical target, by the way, for the breakout from this wedge will be still here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at 70 cents. And over there, we have a very strong resistance. You can see that the 70 cents has been even previously breaking at a very, very strong resistance here and almost resistance here as well. And for several days, it has been breaking at a resistance here recently as well. And we will also need to break out this down trend line resistance before that. And if the price breaks out this 70 cents resistance, then we will also need to break out this up trend line resistance as well. That was previously breaking as a support. And after the breakdown, you can see that it is flipped into resistance. You can see that we got rejection here. And again, it can break at a strong resistance for the price line of SCI. Now, if we take a look at the target for the breakout from this previous falling wedge pattern, you can see that after the breakout, we had a nice pump, but so far the price then did not hit the target for the breakout from this wedge. And that technical target is here at the top of the wedge. That is somewhere between $1 to $1.14. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because then I'm sharing different trading signals for you and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.